Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can answer or reject an incoming call on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first I'm going to give myself a call, and to answer the incoming call, so tap on the accept button to answer the incoming call, tap on the red button to end the call, and if you want to reject the call, tap on the red button. And that's it. So that's how you can answer or reject an incoming call. And here we can also reject an incoming call by responding to a text message.
Welcome to the voicemail.
And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.